Dear students, in previous video we discussed about dramatic art and now we will take last topic of the chapter folk dances of Gujarat. Dear student, as your curriculum is drafted by GSCB, so this topic is very important for your examination point of view. So let's start the topic. Folk dances of Gujarat. Dear students, Gujarat is very vibrant and colorful state. Here many folk dance forms are performed by different communities of Gujarat. These dance forms present the rich and diversified custom and tradition of the Gujarat. First dance form is tribal dances. Dear students, as you know that the persons who are living in forest and mountainous region are called as tribals. Their life is moreover dependent on the forest. They collect all the resources by the nature and natural resources. In tribals' life, there is no major source of entertainment. So they play music, perform dance to entertain them and also to stay away from the wild animals. Let's see how they perform these dance forms. Tribal dance of Gujarat is seen at the time of festivals, marriage and special occasions like fair, etc. to please the god and goddess. Most of the dances are performed by forming a circle, means they perform in group along with various traditional musical instruments that are made by the forest resources like drum, traditional manjira, dholak with songs in regional language. In the dance form from known as Chado, characters imitate different bird creatures like peacock, squirrel, and sparrows. Dances like Malino Chalo and Thakriyo Chalo are seen in Dang, whereas Tippani dance of laborers performed by Bhil and Koli communities of Gujarat. Dancers perform dance in group on the set of thick sticks which are joined with small sticks stuck to the ground. This echoes the sound. Now we will take one of the major and popular dance forms of Gujarat, Garba and Rasa. Garba is not only popular in India or Gujarat, it is one of the popular dance forms of India in global platforms also. Let's see how the Garba is performed and what is the prominence of Garba in Gujarati culture. The word Garba is derived from the word Garbhadeep. Earthen lamp is placed in a whole earthen pot. Dancers keep it on their head and move around in circle by making balance. Garbas are performed during Navratri festival in Hindu month Asosud Ekam to Asosud Navami, means from first day of Navratri to last day of the Navratri, up to Dasam or Sharad Purnima. In some parts of Gujarat, it is performed up to Sharad Purnima. In all parts of Gujarat, Gujarati people perform and sing Garba to worship and pray Adya Shakti or goddess of power, Mother Jagdamba or Mother Durga. Generally, it is performed in the open ground, encircling to the mandvi kept in the center of the ground, along with the strokes of hands and beats of drums. Gujarati poetry known as Garba and Garbi are chiefly associated with Krishna Bhakti. Gujarati poet Dayaram wrote poems in Gujarati, which ladies sing the colorful and emotional Garbi of Lord Krishna's love. Now we'll take Rasa, one of the popular dance forms of Gujarat. Rasa is a dance to be performed in circle along with singing. There is a story that Lord Krishna had shown Ras Leela to devotees Narsimha Mehta. Rasa is mostly performed in Gujarat during the Navratri festival. Also, it is performed during Janmashtami festivals. Dandiya Ras is one of its types, but some people perform Rasa by placing earthen pot on the head. But they are trained dancers. Due to increasing influence of Vaishnav sect, means people who believe in Lord Krishna, Rasa has become more popular among women. Women wear traditional dresses like embroidered chaniya choli and men wear embroidered kediya dhoti when they perform or play Rasa. There are some other dance forms performed by various communities living in various parts of Gujarat. Maximum dance forms are performed in groups. First of all, we will study about Gov Kunthan dance of Gujarat. It is performed on drum beats and tal and lay of music, tying rope with mandapa, pillar, tree and holding the other end in the hand. They perform dance in group holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in other. They make creeper-like formation, going one inside and other coming outside. This is repeatedly done, forming a circle. This way they make and open the gunthan or plate. This style of dance is called Gov Kunthan dance. In this dance form, communities make rope by forest resources, and by this dance they used to entertain themselves. Next dance form is Dhamal dance of Siddhis. It is said that people of Africa are lovers of rhythm, dance and music, and Siddhis are the original natives of Africa. Siddhis presently residing in Jamur village in the center of Gir, originally belong to Africa, performs this dance. They perform dance by rhythmically striking mashira, a coconut shell containing earthen lamp inside covered with a cloth is called as mashira, wearing peacock feathers and holding small drums in hands forming a circle. They wear very colorful dresses also. They dance with high and low pitch intonation of ho-ho sound which echoes in the whole forest. They dance in a group imitating the voice of animals and birds. There are some other dance forms that people in different communities of Gujarat performs on various occasions. Those dance forms of Merayo dance, Padar dance and Kali and Maid dance. This type of dance is seen near the stepwell of Banaskantha region. Toran is woven with the tall grass of reed and junjadi. This dance is performed on drum beats and sword sticks. This type of dance is called Merayo dance. Merayo dance is the specialty of Banaskantha region of Gujarat. In Surendragarh region, the people of Padhar community, by the name of Padhar community, this dance form named Padhar dance. With tal and lay of dandiya and majira, while dancing they generate scenes like sea waves or like a ship moving on sea waves. Kolis of Saurashtra perform Koli dance, holding madrasi on head and headgear, turban decorated with various types of embroidery and mirror tied with green colored embroidered belt. They wear bhet on their waist to perform dance. Similarly, Maid dance of Saurashtra and other dances of Bharwa tribe are well known. Dear students, in previous chapter, also in this chapter, in past few decades, we Indians have seen many changes from ancient to this contemporary India, either in dance form, painting, music or in any other. One type of culture heritage is this, that is India. It is the beauty of Indian culture that Indian culture assimilated all the changes. This shows the beauty of our rich and varied cultural heritage. Dear students, as this chapter is very important for you, for your examination point of view, you have to write all the question and answers given in your textbook exercise. Dear students, you have to write these answers in your notebook, and this is mandatory and this is homework for you for today. Thank you.